All right, here's a good question. You have to add these fractions. You need to get a common denominator. So let me just leave the bottom alone. And then this, I need to factor. Ouch. I'm thinking that's 7x and x. And then 56. Maybe a 7 here and an 8 there. I'm just guessing and checking. Be 49 plus 8. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Plus x plus 5 over 2 times x plus 7. I just factored that. So now to get my common denominator, it has to include a 7x plus 8, an x plus 7, a 2, I already have an x plus 7. So it needs to include those three things in red. So this doesn't have a 2, so I need to include it there. And I also need to include it up top. I'll just put it out front. This one needs a 7x plus 8 on the bottom, so it needs a 7x plus 8 on top. Okay, so now I have one denominator, 7x plus 8, x plus 7, and a 2. So on that top one, I'll need to multiply that together. So I'll have 2x squared minus 10 plus, and now since this is plus, I can just FOIL this thing as is. If that was a minus, I'd FOIL it all and then apply a negative sign. But since it's positive, I don't need to do that. So it'll be 7x squared plus 8x plus 35x plus 40. Okay, collecting like terms, I'll have 9x squared. What's that? Plus 43x. Yeah. And then plus 30 over 2 times 7x plus 8 times x plus 7. Okay, hopefully that helps understand that one.